I can see it in a video on the camera. Is that good? When it's Halloween, we can play it.
Oh, it says scary story.
Yeah.
I like scary stories. I don't like really scary.
But I do.
You do?
Yep.
Yeah.
Daddy, let's get a video of a spooky story.
What kind of spooky story?
When I was talking to Nessa,
Like, give me an idea.
a ghost was hiding and came to steal, and it came to steal all food.
Oh no, and we wouldn't have no food to eat?
Yes, to steal everyone's food.
Oh my goodness, is that a scary story?
Yeah.
And then the ghost was ready to hide.